Hello everyone. In this video we will try to find out time duration between two given timestamps like a login time and logout time. You can see some data have been entered, some dummy data were there. So login time and logout time, it's like 9:30 in the morning, and the logout time in the same dates 6 in the evening. So like that, my data are there. So we need to find the time duration. So for that we will use the mod function. For the first parameter number, we will start one or more parentheses, and we will take this logout time minus this login time. We will close the parentheses, and for the divisor we will put 1, and we got 8 hours and 30 minutes. That's correct. 9:30 in the morning to 6 in the evening, so 8:30. Okay, so we can fill for the remaining cells. We can see we are getting the exact result. Correct. Okay, so this is time duration. So now we can carry on to find one more thing, like suppose we need to give a payment to people like 100 rupees for 1 hour. So what will be the payment for each of the person here? For an hour they will get 100 rupees. So now this person has worked for 8 hour and 30 minutes, 9 hour 4 minutes, 9 hour 11 minutes. So we need to find for 1 hour the person will be getting 100 rupees. If we just go on to multiply this with 100, we will definitely not get the correct answer. Okay, so instead we will do we will try to uh, we will open a parenthesis, this logout time minus this login time, and we will multiply this with 24. Now this will give the correct answer. See, 8.5 hours makes sense. 9 point something, 9.1, 8.5, these all are making sense. Okay, so these are the correct results. So now we can multiply this with, for 1 hour person is getting 100 rupees, we'll multiply this with 100. So yes, now we got the correct answer. Okay, so thank you so much everyone, and please like and subscribe, share it among with your friends. Have a nice day. Thank you all.